Hello students, welcome to the fifth session of States of Matter, and today I will teach you some laws which are based on the relationship between temperature, pressure and volume, which are the measurable properties of gases, which we had studied in last video. There are four laws, that is Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro law and Gay-Lussac's law. And in this video I will teach you only Boyle's law. Boyle's law, explanation of Boyle's law, its statement, graphical representation, and Boyle's law in terms of density. So what is the relation between temperature, pressure and volume according to Boyle's law? The statement for Boyle's law is it is at constant temperature. First you have to remember that among the three properties, that is pressure, volume and temperature, temperature is constant at constant temperature. Statement of Boyle's law: for fixed mass of gas, at constant temperature, the pressure of gas, pressure P of gas is inversely proportional to the volume of gas. Means at constant temperature, pressure of gas is inversely proportional to the volume. It means as pressure increases, volume decreases. So its mathematical expression is P means pressure of gas is inversely proportional to the volume of gas at constant temperature. T and N means number of moles, that is fixed mass of gas. So statement is for fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, the pressure of gas is inversely proportional to the volume of gas. P is inversely proportional to 1 upon V, and P is equals to K into 1 upon V, where K is proportionality constant. And if we take volume, P into V is equals to K. It means that at constant temperature, the product of pressure and volume of the fixed amount of gas is always constant. Thus, when a fixed amount of gas at constant temperature occupying volume V1 at pressure P1 undergoes expansion or compression, the volume gas changes V2 at pressure P2. If a fixed mass of gas, it is enclosed of volume V1 and pressure P1 enclosed in a cylinder, and it undergoes expansion or compression, then the volume goes to changes into V2 at pressure P2. Then according to Boyle's law, according to Boyle's law, the product of pressure and volume is always constant. So we can write P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2 is equals to constant. Okay, this is the mathematical expression for Boyle's law. What is statement? At constant temperature, the pressure of gas is inversely proportional to the volume. P is inversely proportional to V. P is equals to K into 1 upon V, where K is a proportionality constant. So PV is equals to constant, and if for a fixed mass of gas, volume V1 at pressure P1 is undergoes expansion or compression, then volume changes to V2 and pressure changes to P2. Then according to Boyle's law, we can write P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2 is equals to constant. ये जो फॉर्मूला है आपको न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते समय यूज़ करना है. तो अगर न्यूमेरिकल में टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट दिया है एंड 3 टर्म्स दिया है इसमें से, तो यू कैन डिटरमाइन another term, that is either pressure P1 or V1, नहीं तो P2 और V2. Okay, then graphical representation of Boyle's law. Graphical representation. First graph is like this. If we are taking volume on x-axis and pressure on y-axis, volume on x-axis and pressure on y-axis, that is pressure versus volume, pressure versus volume, then we get a graph like this, a curve obtained. This is at T1, T2 and T3. Then if we are taking another graph, on x-axis it is pressure on x-axis, and PV means product of pressure and volume on y-axis, then we get straight line which are parallel to the x-axis. T1 at T2 and at T3. And third graph is pressure, this is PV versus pressure. And next last graph is third one, last graph. I will remove this. When pressure and volume, we are taking volume on x-axis and pressure on y-axis, then we get a curve. If we are taking pressure on x-axis and pressure, product of pressure and volume on y-axis, then we have straight lines which are parallel to the x-axis. And third graph is on x-axis 1 upon V and on y-axis pressure P. there is a 1 upon V and pressure, इसमें डायरेक्ट रिलेशन है, तो ग्राफ विल बी स्ट्रेट लाइन फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. So these are the three type of graphs which shows the Boyle's law. Now next topic is relationship between density and Boyle's law. Relationship between means Boyle's law in terms of density भी बोल सकते हैं. Boyle's law in terms of density. According to Boyle's law, as we know, the pressure and volume, the product of pressure and volume, it is constant, that is K. Then V is equals to K upon P. This is equation 1. V is equals to K upon P. But as you know, the density, what is density? Density is mass per unit volume. Density is equals to mass upon volume. This is equation 2. Then put the value of V, that is K upon P, in equation 2. Put value of V in equation 2. We get D is equals to, that is density is equals to mass upon, instead of volume, we are putting K upon P. K upon P, it is equals to M upon K into P. M upon K into P, and as K and P, M and K, these are constant. For a fixed mass of gas, M is constant and K is proportionality constant. So, D is equals to new proportionality constant. We are using new proportionality constant K dash into P, where K dash is equals to M upon K, that is constant. Okay, then we can write D is directly proportional to P. D is directly proportional to P, and this is the Boyle's law in terms of density. So what will be the statement? At constant temperature, the pressure of gas is directly proportional to the density, or we can say it, density of the gas is directly proportional to pressure at constant temperature. So this is the new Boyle's law in terms of density. So statement, at constant temperature, the pressure of gas is directly proportional to density. Okay, this is the new statement of Boyle's law. At constant temperature, the pressure of gas is directly proportional to density. Okay student, and in next video I will teach you Charles law, Avogadro law and Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, goodbye.